Just for the record, I was looking forward to using this Electrovoice EV619 mic that I bought on eBay, and the guy said it worked, but taking this mic apart, oh, first of all, okay, so it has a really good cord on it, and these are the color-coded connections on the cord. However, I couldn't use this mic because well, first of all, wanted to see how the wiring looked on the inside. So I took the bottom off the mic. As you can see, there's the bottom, and if you look in here, there's a switch that is supposed to actuate when you press this red button or bar. And on this one, it doesn't actuate anything. So some type of transfer point, a piece of plastic or metal or something that would make these guys go, is not present. So when I look at this carefully, you can see a little red through the middle here, like there's a round piece missing or something, but that's not my problem. This is going back to the seller on eBay and getting returned. So I thought people might want to see what's inside of an EV619 mic before this one gets returned. So how do the wires look here? Let's get a capture of how the wires go on this thing. If I could just get a steady position to film. Sorry about that. So there's some of the wiring of how it goes. I want to get a better picture of the wires inside there on the switch contacts. I guess I can't do that without tearing it all apart. Okay, well, that's the EV619 mic, how it's set up inside. Don't take this one as a perfect example because it doesn't work right. The switch doesn't work. You press the red, it doesn't move the contacts, so this thing is defective. Anyway, have a nice day, and thanks for watching.